guys, it's Vicki Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today I'm super excited to open up a box, that I got from the flash sale. So I don't even remember what the heck I bought. So I'm really excited to open this with you. Are you guys ready? All right, let's do this. If you have not subscribed already, please do. And if you enjoy the video, please give it a like. I know I got because I saw them in there and I go, oh, I gotta get these because it was such a huge savings. It's wall fan diffusers and they're normally 30 bucks. I got them for $5, you guys. So I think I got like 5 or 6 of them. So let's see. And I will open them in a second. Yep, it's the Stack wall fan diffuser. I got 1, 2. Yeah, I got 5. Let me put them out of the way and then I'll open one. Okay, so like I said, I got the Stack wall fan diffusers. I'm gonna go ahead and open it and show you. These are a great alternative if you don't wanna use wax for any reason, like maybe you have animals that you don't want getting into it, etc. So these are great. These use our pods. So they have this little button here, and that turns it on and off. You open this up just like so. And then I got a couple of these, which are fantastic. These were, I think these were the Valentine's Day from last year, the pods from last year. And they smelled amazing. They're like a berry scent. Ooh, so what you do is you take them out and each one gives you 120 hours worth of scent. So you put them in there like so, close it up, like so, plug it in, hello, push the button, and you have scent. So I got, like I said, 5 of these, and I got 2 packs of these because I love this scent so much. It was great. All right, and then I got the, I'm in love with Scentsy Sugar Scrub, and because I like that scent, yeah, it was called Best Berry. So I got the Sugar Scrub. Absolutely pretty packaging. I love it. So I got that. And then, let's see, now I have, Scentsy loves to give you a box in a box. And I'm pretty sure these are bars. And I think some hand soap too. Here I go again with these scissors. So let's get this open. Right? Oh yes, lots of hand soaps. Okay, so I had gotten a bunch of hand soaps from our clearance section when they were just in clearance, and they were like $4 and like 60 cents or something like that. And then they went down to $3. So I bought a ton because we go through it. As a matter of fact, I just switched out our soap this morning. So this one is Cloudberry Dreams. I got some hibiscus pineapple. Let's see how much I got of each. I'm going to go ahead and pull them out. Watermelon tangerine, which is what I brought out this morning. So these were normally $6. And Scentsy just went to a larger size. So that larger size is $9. So they're trying to get rid of these. So I got them for $3. I think they still have some Bright Cider Life in there, which is my favorite fall scent. And I had already bought 10 of those. So there's that. So let's see how many. I bought a bunch of this hand soap. You guys, when there's a flash sale, that's when you got to load up. Okay, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4 hibiscus pineapple, 5 watermelon tangerine, 4 hibiscus pineapple, and 2 of the Cloudberry Dreams. I love it. All right, then I got some bars. Let me see. All right. And some of these are for my daughter because I know she loves these scents. She loves ambrosia. This is her jam. Ooh, that is such a good bar. So I got her some ambrosia. Very fruity. Ooh, this is an oldie but a goodie. Pastelitos. This is like a tropical, and it has pineapple scent in it. I love it. This was a older bar. And then this one was Rising Sunshine, which was a orange scent, and it was no, it wasn't a Bring Back My Bar. It was a scent of the month. A couple of years ago, I think. Oh yeah, that one's good. So I got Rising Sunshine, yum. Let's see what else I got. Another ambrosia for Caitlin. Another ambrosia for Caitlin. Did I get her a 6-pack? I might have gotten her a 6-pack. She's gonna be really excited. And then mulberry bush, which I love. Oh my gosh, this is such a powerhouse. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, I love this scent. So I got a couple of those. I'm surprised I didn't get more of those. And then I got a watermelon wave. Let's see. Oh, Tropic Tango. This one's a good one too. This is another fruity. I think it had like several different fruits in it, but I don't remember. But I know it had like orange in it. So let's see how many of those I got. Here's another Pastelitos. Another Rising Sunshine. What else did I get? Another Rising Sunshine. Ooh, another mulberry bush. That one's fantastic. If you guys ever get a chance to grab some of that, another Tropic Tango, make sure you do. If it ever comes back and Bring Back My Bar, give it a few years because it just came out not all that long ago. Ooh, a Grapefruit Sunshine. That's yummy. Let's see what else. Pineapple sorbet. Oh, this was a good one. We used to have pineapple pucker and pineapple sorbet. Ooh, that's pretty. That is so pretty. A couple more bars. Oh, Simply Vanilla. This was in our Bring Back My Bar not that long ago. I got 2 bars of that. So that's everything, you guys. I didn't get a ton, but I got quite a bit. And so that is my haul from the flash sale. Hope you enjoyed it. Talk to you later. Bye.